Hello everyone. Today we'll explore an effective data filtering technique on the Devum platform by showcasing how to display leave details for a specific employee using the filter method. To quickly recap our progress, in our first video we created an employee list. In the second, we displayed individual employee details. In the third, we added a dynamic count of leave applications. Let's take it further by showing all leave requests for a selected employee using the filter function. To set this up, we've added an unpaginated list to our layout. Inside this list, we have containers and labels ready to display details like leave type, dates, and the reason for the request. Let's start by selecting the Unpaginated list component. In the Properties panel, go to Data Binding and click Add Data Source. Choose the Leave Apply form and apply the filter method. Now, here's the crucial part. We need to add a parameter to filter the data. We'll add a parameter for employee and map its value to the employee ID from our main container. This creates a direct link. Whenever an employee is selected from the list, this filter will automatically update to only show records that match that specific employee's ID. Once the data source is saved, you will notice that the list appears empty. This is because no employee has been selected yet. Now, observe what happens when we select an employee, say, Ashok. Instantly, the total leave count updates to 6, and the filtered list dynamically displays all 6 of his individual leave entries, showcasing the power of real-time data binding. The last step is to connect each label to the right field from the filtered data. Therefore, we bind the employee name by choosing the parent list item and map it to the employee name field. Select a label like leave type and select the parent list, followed by the value like leave type name. The same process is followed for number of days, from date to date or reason, and bind it to its matching field. Make sure you're binding from the parent list item so that each label displays the correct data for its respective leave entry. We use the template builder to format the From Date and To Date fields in the leave application. Next, bind the label for the leave reason just as before by selecting the parent list. Finally, do the same for the reporting head label. Select the parent list item and map it to the appropriate field name to ensure accurate data binding as shown here. And there you have it. By using the filter method, we can now display a detailed and dynamic list of leave applications for any selected employee. As a final step, we'll publish all our changes to make this new functionality live. Thank you for watching.